it and software also.
What are the benefits?
Sir, they are more. It is more transparent, less time consuming, and also good for environmental aspect as well.
Can you name few schemes which are related to e-governance by the government of India?
Like direct benefit programs and like subsidy transfers.
It is one thing.
E-Challan and fast tag. It is fast tag. It is a scheme of Highway Authority of India in which we do not have to wait for challan, and there will be RFID, radio frequency identification, and challan will.
What is radio frequency identification?
Sir, it is more like near field communication in which distance can be varied, in which there will be hollow mark or some encrypted format of the software as well as hardware attached in the body or something, whether it is car or sometimes it is also used for animal, and its anti part or means its opposite part will also be fixed in a fixed space, and when both these contact will occur, there will be reading on that.
What is Ayushman Bharat?
In Ayushman Bharat is a health related scheme in which government of India is willing to provide a healthcare scheme for more than 5 lakhs of rupees for the people living, for the people of India.
What is Unnat Bharat Abhiyan?
Sorry.
Govardhan Yojana?
Govardhan Yojana is basically related with solid waste management, in which government of India is using the cow dung for the generation of electricity as well as for the food processing units as well, by using dung of the animals or cow dung generally.
Poshan Abhiyan?
Poshan Abhiyan is related. It is a women and child development program in which we have to supply, we will provide nutrient to the women or mothers, as well as it will also include the children below the age of 14. They will also be provided nutrient like milk, or in the Anganwadi Kendras there will be more products will be given related to nutrient.
What are institutions of eminence?
At the initial stage, they have given 6 Institute of Women's Tech, in which IIT Mumbai, IIT Delhi, Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, as well as Manipal University, and Geo Institute is also one of them.
Where is Geo Institute located?
Sir, they are willing to establish it in Mumbai. I do not know the exact place, but as of now, its building has not been completed or has not been started. Construction of building has not been started.
So how it can be imminent, which is not existing at all?
Sir, as government of India has said that they are just willing to give it freedom, but they have not provided any fund for it. They have just given a thought that it can be it can be built in the manner of eminent status, and after its checking its performance within 2 or 5 years, it will consider for further consideration.
So it can be done at that time only. What is the hurry to decide at this stage itself?
Sir, because I do not know much knowledge, but whatever
message. It is your money, it is public money. You have full right to speak on it. No? This subject.
Sir, as mentioned in the newspaper, as the proposal submitted by the Geo Institute, the way in which they are going to build or run this institute is at some time in the future it will bring the eminent status as well. It will increase the educational level, or it will be in comparison with the foreign universities as well.
Basically, you are seeding the credential for that institute. One is a seed money. One is a seeding the credential for that. Means you are marketing on the public money cost.
Sir, government initially asked for the eminent status by the institution.
It is that exactly leading to that only.
ये गवर्नमेंट का है तरीका से क्यों बता रहे हैं?
सोच डेवलप कर रहा हूँ कि सोचे तो सही है लोग, नहीं ये ऐसे ये जो है चलेगा नहीं ना कंट्री
Sir,
चलाना तो लोग।
more than 135 universities have submitted their proposal for eminent
So
status.
do you think infrastructure will make it imminent?
Not only infrastructure, also the educational and practical or more the laboratories
In how
as well.
many countries in the worldwide this type of practice is being done? कभी देखा आपने सोचा?
Sorry sir, I do not have.
नहीं देखा। जो टॉप टियर पे चल रहा है एजुकेशन में कंट्री का वर्ल्ड में, देखिए ग्लोबली व्हाट इज द देयर मॉडल?
Sir, like
अच्छा रिवर्स
most of the like California
अब
institute.
शुरू हो गया तो सब मैं बस
तो मैं ठीक है।
rivers, you come to the rivers, you go to your ancient days, even our country itself, when we were having a very good society, these institutes were being run submerged with the natural and minimum resource consumption per capita. जंगल में पेड़ के नीचे पढ़ता था, राजा का बेटा भी वहीं पढ़ता था।
Yes.
आज राजमहल में आप एजुकेशन क्यों देना चाहते हो? Will they get the real education?
Sir, if we want to provide good education, it
Which education?
uh,
उसकी सोच ही कभी डेवलप नहीं होगी भाई।
only
नेवर एवर अदर देन टेस्टिंग फैसिलिटी के अलावा उसको कभी भी नहीं देना है वो चीज। पीपल वर नॉट फूल कि राजा के बेटे को भी उसको राज करने के पहले उसको रगड़ देता था जंगल में कि ही शुड नो बिट्स एंड पीसेस ऑफ द नेचर सो दैट दे शुड नॉट अब्यूज द नेचर। जो केरला ट्रेजेडी हो रही इसीलिए हो रही है और जितनी ट्रेजेडी होंगी इसी से होंगे क्योंकि नेचर को हम अब्यूज कर रहे हैं।
वो तो भीख मंगवाते हैं।
नहीं क्यों भीख मंगवाते हैं? दे आर ड्रॉपिंग द ईगो।
Not diverting. Okay.
नहीं डाइवर्ट नहीं कर रहे,
नहीं,
सब
divert
टॉपिक
नहीं
थे।
it was one of the part of the education.
जाके you people should think on it. People should debate on it. आपकी जनरेशन की डिमांड है, बाकी साहब अभी कंक्लूड कर रहे हैं।
तो यहाँ देखो क्वेश्चन होगा से
सर वो
आपने कर लिया?
लास्ट क्वेश्चन अभी कर रहे थे, एक क्वेश्चन रह गया।
क्वेश्चन मैंने कहा
Sorry.
पूरा हो गया था।
नहीं हमने हाईजैक कर दिया था बीच में।
Last question है. What are the threats of biodiversity? First question. How freons are harmful for biodiversity?
Sir,
First threats of biodiversity.
like sir has mentioned about Kerala floods, the Kerala floods is also one of the consequences of rapid urbanization, uncontrolled way urbanization, and incorporating the wetland. They have used wetland which was not meant to be used because it has decreases the water absorbing capacity there in generally the whatever the things that are coming in picture about the Kerala, and we have to we should not exploit the natural resources that we are doing nowadays. We should switch to the other non-conventional energy resources, and in freons we use it as a refrigerating gas in refrigeration and air conditioning equipments, and it will as freons have chlorine, and as freon is lighter, it went to the stratospheric, it reacts with stratospheric ozone, and it disintegrates, divided into ozone, oxygen. So one molecule of chlorine can react with thousands of ozone, and that's why it create hole. It as the concentration of ozone decreases, it will create hole. So this is the reason it will create ozone hole, and ozone hole through ultraviolet rays can penetrate, and that can also cause skin cancer.
Ashuanshu, basically whatsoever has transpired in the interview, you see, it is just to give you a more broader picture. Eh?
Yes.
But basically, you see, you are a good candidate. Your fundamentals are sound. Your academic knowledge is also good. General awareness is also good.
Yes.
Everything is good about you. You see, regarding the Institute of Happiness, you see, you should say MHRD. This is the Ministry of Human Resources.
Yes.
They have decided. Isn't it? You see, they have decided. Onus is on them.
Yes.
There are so many secretaries there, you see, ministers are there. They are given a well thought. Why you see this institute? That because Mukesh Ambani had given the presentation himself. For that, basically, why should we Institute of Excellence? You see, it is to their judgment. It is not to your judgment and to my judgment. when you are sitting in that chair or I am sitting in that chair, I will judge differently. Okay? So therefore, don't go haywire. Be focused. Let the reply be specific, and let the reply be not vitiated by my candid thoughts and all that. It is your own. What you feel about it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Basically, sometimes the board will try to divert you. Why you not like this so because he is seeing your overall personality.
Yes, sir.
He is judging you in a very broader and aspects. That so that basically he is trying to extract from you what is your thinking and all that.
Yes,
But basically, it has to be your own thinking process.
yes,
Simple answer is to the people who are there, and you see, he was the only person who was given a presentation for 6 hours. Location, money, director, and all that. And this institute, this point is very valid that it is not established so far. Other institutes are established, but perhaps this may come as good as other institutes. There is their own judgment, isn't it? And regarding other things also, you see, you will be very clear. And basically, don't be offensive also. Be sober, be amenable, but be a man of your own conviction and all that. Isn't it? Brush up your knowledge. You have got 15 days with you.
Yes.
Whatsoever you see, questions he has asked you, I have asked you, just brush up because these are hardly any questions. There will be any question can be asked you. Here basically we want to see what is your focus, what are your communication skills, what is your analysis, is it, how informative you are. These are the things we are trying to extract you so that basically you do good in the board. So that is why you see we are taking more time so that you should do very good and get a choice of whatsoever you see you want to get that particular discipline you should get that. Questions will be so many, you can ask you thousands. But I think we have asked you amply and evaluatively.
yes.
ये लाइन 8 वर्ड यूज कर रहे हो और ईएस ऑफिसर ये अवॉइड कर
हाँ ये सब बोला था।
कुछ नहीं होता
वो ये मतलब ये ऑल इंडिया सर्विस नहीं है। IAS वाला जो IPS वाला और इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस तीन जो है ना वो ऑल इंडिया सर्विस फिर तीन है, पता होगा?
Yes, sir.
इंडियन नेशनल सर्विस, इंडियन पुलिस सर्विस एंड
Forest, sir.
फॉरेस्ट। ये IAS सर्विस
वो इकोनॉमिक सर्विस हो गई है, पहले ये था 47 या 48 से पहले इसी को IAS बोलते थे,
अब मैं बोलूँ
उसके बाद में वो इकोनॉमिक कर दिया है
इंजीनियरिंग सर्विस बोल दो, ठीक है?
सर्विस।
ठीक, ओके।
सर और ये